What are spot ETFs, and why are they suddenly everywhere? US crypto futures ETFs have existed since October 2021, but they didn't generate nearly this level of attention. What's different now? Spot ETFs have changed the game completely. In early 2024, the SEC approved 11 Bitcoin Spot ETFs. Not small players, but industry giants like Fidelity and BlackRock got the green light. Ether Spot ETFs followed several months later in May 2024, and more cryptocurrencies are already under regulatory review. Let's zoom out for a second. What exactly is an ETF? An ETF, or Exchange Traded Fund, is a financial product you can buy and sell on the stock market, just like a share of a stock. Some ETFs hold a mix of assets, but others focus on a single one, like Bitcoin or Ether. The key feature? Unlike mutual funds, which are priced just once a day, ETFs trade in real time during market hours. But not all ETFs are created equal, especially in crypto. The first wave of crypto ETFs were futures linked. Instead of holding actual Bitcoin or Ether, they tracked price movements through regulated futures contracts rather than holding the assets directly. That structure meant the ETF price didn't always perfectly track the actual cryptocurrency price. Spot ETFs fundamentally changed this equation. They're backed by actual cryptocurrency holdings, not derivatives. Through a creation-redemption mechanism with authorized participants, spot ETFs maintain prices closely aligned with the underlying cryptocurrency. Many of Wall Street's major institutions have effectively invited crypto into their inner sanctum. The same institutions that once dismissed blockchain as speculative are now building sophisticated products around it. This is belt and suspenders finance. Conservative, risk-averse institutions saying, clients want exposure to crypto, and us institutions are building the vehicles to deliver it. So what does this seismic shift mean for Stronghold? Let's be transparent. There is a broader transformation affecting the entire ecosystem, and that transformation aligns perfectly with one of our core values, expanding financial access. Why would someone invest in an ETF instead of directly holding cryptocurrency? Because it removes friction. If you already have a traditional brokerage account, that's one less system to learn. Tax reporting will be more straightforward for many investors, and the regulatory oversight provides institutional confidence. That's exactly the kind of bridge Stronghold builds, connecting legacy systems to emerging technologies, bridging the financially excluded into the included. Spot ETFs signal a turning point in how crypto fits into the global financial system. They mark the inflection point where crypto stopped being an outsider and became an integrated component of the financial establishment. For anyone building next-generation financial infrastructure, this moment represents a fundamental validation of the path forward. Subscribe to our channel for insights on the evolving digital asset landscape. And if you have questions about how these changes impact the broader crypto ecosystem, drop them in the comments below.